Hi friends, this is Danisha and welcome to my channel Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Today I've come up with the most requested recipe, which is burger buns with homemade yeast. If you are new to my channel and haven't watched my previous videos of homemade yeast and the recipes with them, then please check the description below. You can find all the links there. Now let's move on to the recipe. First, we'll make a roux for the dough. The same method is followed in making Japanese bread, for which I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida into a pan and add 60 ml, which is 1/4 cup of milk, which is in room temperature. Mix both using a spatula or whisk. Cook on low flame and mix continuously to remove any lumps. I think using a small and deep bottom pan helps better for this process. Once they came together, I transferred the mix into a bowl and mixed using a whisk. We can replace milk with water if you wish. Now let the mix cool down completely. Cover with a clean wrap touching the mix to prevent skin formation on them. We can even make the mix the day before and store in the fridge as it is. While that's cooling, into another bowl take half cup of lukewarm water, to which add half cup of homemade yeast and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix this all together using a whisk or a spatula. Into another bowl, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. To this add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. If you want to skip milk powder, then use half cup of milk instead of water, which we used in the beginning with homemade yeast. Once everything is mixed well, transfer the dry and the wet ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Combine everything using a spatula. To this add the roux which we prepared earlier and mix until all the ingredients starts to come together. If the dough looks dry, then add some lukewarm water to it and knead again. Once the flour has come together, put few drops of oil on the countertop and knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes to make it smooth and soft. If the dough is sticking too much to your hands, then apply some oil on the palm and knead again. For kneading, push the dough with your palm forward and bring it back with your fingers. Initially, you will see the dough is breaking when stretched, but slowly it will become more elastic as you go. After kneading for about 3 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of soft butter to the dough and knead again. There is no shortcut for this. You'll have to knead for a good 7 to 10 minutes to get a smooth dough. If the dough is not knead proper, then the buns won't be soft enough. To check if the dough is ready or not, we'll have to do a window pane test. Take a small portion of the dough and stretch it slowly from the sides with your fingers. Stretch it to a thin sheet without breaking. It should be so thin that the light should pass through it. That's when you know the dough is ready. Put it back to the remaining dough and make a smooth ball by stretching from the top and tuck in to the bottom. Grease the bowl with some oil and place the dough inside carefully. Apply some water on top of the dough and cover it using a clean wrap or a damp cloth to proof. Keep it until the dough becomes double in size. This time it took around 3.5 to 4 hours for me to proof this. Always mention the proofing time will vary for a lot of reasons. We are using here homemade yeast and it will take from 2 to 4 hours depending on the temperature of the place where you live. Keep it in a warm place to speed in the process. Once done, apply some oil on your palm and puncture the dough slowly. Take out the dough onto the counter and knead for a minute. Then divide the dough to 6 equal parts. Either we can weigh them or just eyeball them. Keep them covered so the top won't become dry. Take each portion and make smooth balls. Make sure there are no cracks on them. Then carefully place them on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Apply some oil on top of each ball and then press them down gently. Now cover these using a damp cloth and then leave for the second proofing. Wait until they become double in size. This time it took around 1 hour for me. Give each ball a milk wash and then sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Bake these in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius with the top and the bottom rod on for 15 to 18 minutes or until the top of the buns turns brown. I tried making these in a cooker but that did not turn out good, so I haven't included that in this video. I'll try to share another video soon, the one without using oven. Once done, apply butter on the hot buns and then cover them using a damp cloth and leave until they cools down completely. The buns are ready. They are soft, spongy, and you can see the texture, how they are looking from inside. Hope you all liked and enjoyed this video. If so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such recipe videos. See you all soon with another exciting recipe video. Till then, take care and bye bye.